Now, Moodle works in a cloud. Now, we should understand the basic difference between a Drive, a Google Drive, and a cloud. Google Drive is something like our water tank in our house, which saves only small data. And Moodle is a cloud-based application, and a cloud-based application is something like a lake where you store all the big data. Therefore, data storage is always not a problem. You can store n number of data in Moodle cloud platform, and you can also retrieve it. Now, if you want to create your Moodle account, you have to first log into Moodle.org, and please don't do it right now, because creating an account has to be done very carefully. Because if you are lost in creating an account, then everything will go wrong. You can watch YouTube videos. I'm not going to teach you how to create a Moodle account right now, but I will tell you what are the things that you should do while creating a Moodle account and what you should not do. You have to simply log into your Moodle. Okay, and it will ask you for a username and password if you are already there, or it will ask you to create a new account. Okay, now when you want to create a new account, it will ask you all these basic things. Okay, and then you will proceed. Now, what happens after you complete everything here? It will ask you for a phone number, a valid phone number, because you will be receiving a message, a code in your phone which you have to enter. And while what do you call? Let me just type something here. So something, okay. Um, so all these things I think you can manage. So proceed, and you have to check all the policy cookies. Okay, so everything. So it will take you a lot of it will take you through a lot of pages like this, and you have to carefully choose your username here. Please remember, it should be unique, because when you create a username, your Moodle domain will be created. Please remember, I am talking about domain. I am not talking about an account. Please understand the difference. See, when you log in with your institutional mail ID, you are actually logging in using your institutional mail ID in a domain, which is a bigger one. So what you are creating here in Moodle is a domain. And when you create an account in Moodle, you become the administrator of that domain. You are going to administer the entire Moodle. And inside that Moodle domain, inside your Moodle domain, you can allow you can create courses, and you can allow teachers to create courses, and you can allow teachers to edit their courses. So you are more like a principal of this domain. So when you create a Moodle account, it gives you a free domain for 40 days. Okay, the Moodle will give you a free domain for 40 days, and later you have to pay it and get it. Sir, what is the other way? Yes, your institution can buy a domain. So your institution can buy a domain. So Moodle installation is very simple. The institution can get the license and it can install, and you will be allowed to create your course using your credentials inside your institutional domain. But first, when you try to create a Moodle account, you are the domain administrator. So you become the administrator and you create courses, or you allow teachers to create courses. So all these name and password are very, very crucial. Okay, then you will say create my account, and once you created your account, you will be taken to your cloud. Okay, so you will have your own domain. Okay, let me show you my cloud. Again, before going into my cloud, I will show you some of the things which are very essential about Moodle. Moodle is a learning platform designed to provide educators, administrators, learners with a single, robust, secure, and integrated system to create personalized learning environment. You can simply download the software onto your web server or ask one of our knowledgeable Moodle partners to assist you. Okay. Now, there is a course run by, um, you can note down this website. It is called Open Tutorial. This is a course, sorry, Spoken Tutorial. This is the course which is run by IIT Bombay. This is the course run by IIT Bombay. And if you go to this, you have to first register into the Spoken Tutorial website. And you can see there is a course on Moodle Learning Management System. You have to just click it, Moodle Learning Management System, and you can click English. Or you have this in all the in some of the languages. You can see if you are a Gujarati, Hindi, Telugu, you can view the entire thing in your own language. Okay, so now I select English and I go for search. When I do search, you can see you have all the free tutorials. You have overview of Moodle, getting ready. You as an administrator, you don't have to worry about this right now. Okay, you can directly go to the categories in Moodle, courses in Moodle, user in Moodle, user role, teacher dashboard in Moodle. So this entire web page gives you all the necessary information about Moodle. Okay, I will show you how to do these things in my Moodle. Okay, but please remember, I completed this training from IIT Bombay, and the training was for 7 days. So you cannot learn Moodle in a single day or in 1 hour. It requires a lot of time and patience. So I will encourage all the participants to go into this spoken tutorial site from IIT Bombay, and you can enroll yourself for this course, and then you can download everything. Okay, it's free, it's an open educational resource, so you can download everything and you can slowly learn how to use this LMS. Okay, now coming back to my Moodle Cloud. Now Moodle Cloud, I'm going to my Moodle Cloud. See, you can see here, this is my site name, Augustine, and I have my own Moodle Cloud site. So once you complete the registration, you can directly log in from your Moodle Cloud site. Okay, you don't have to go to moodle.org. You can directly go to your Moodle Cloud site and you can click login. So when you click login, it will take you to this page. You can see pricing. You can see here we have pricing here. So free trial is for 45 days, and you can accommodate 200 users with 400 MB space. And if you want to sign up for a paid account, the institutions can do this. It is 1,000 per year, and you can accommodate 500 users with a 1 GB storage capacity. And you can always increase the storage capacity by contacting the Moodle center, and they will increase this capacity for a premium. So initially you get Moodle for 45 days. You can try with your students, and you can really have a wonderful learning experience. Now let me go to my site. So this is my site, augustine.moodlecloud.com. Right now you are inside my Moodle. You can see here, this is my Moodle site. It tells you it is a free trial that will expire on 17th August. Now if you click here, it will give you some information about your courses. Okay, you can see being an administrator, I am the administrator of this cloud. So I had created a course called DGVC Moodle. I had created a course called second MSc Organic Chemistry. I have created a course called third BSc. You can also see here, I have included a teacher. So like this, you can create n number of course in your Moodle platform. Okay, see, if your department is going to have a Moodle separately, if you're planning to get a Moodle for 45 days, so one of you will be the administrator of the courses in your department, and as an administrator you can always create your course. Okay, now you can learn how to create a course with the videos that is available in spoken tutorial platform. So once you create a course, so you have to go to site. See, actually, Moodle demonstration is a very big process. You can see here. Okay, so this is, see, I am showing you my site. So as an administrator, what are the privileges I have? In my site administration, I can see who are all the users. Okay, I can browse the list of users, I can add a new user. Okay, and I have the site permission, so I can permit anything here. I can define roles, I can define a role of my participant as a student or a teacher. Okay, so I have the row, I have the power to delete my data. So this is my site administration. Now coming back to courses, I have the privilege to add a new course. See, so what you have to do, when you create your Moodle account, you become the administrator of the account. You have to go to site administration and you have to create a course. Now let me add a new course. See, I'm adding a new course. So let me add a course called Moodle Moodle LMS. Okay, so this is my course name and this is my course short name. I can the category is thing. You see, you if you want to have a course duration, you can always use this, or else you can simply check off this out. If you want to give any ID, like you, every paper has a course code, right? In our colleges, so you can give the paper code here, and description is course for higher education teachers. Course for higher education teachers. You can drag and drop a course image. So if you want to add any file, see, that is one advantage of this Moodle platform, where you can simply drag and drop everything. So let me go to my let me go to a file. Okay, upload this file. So I have uploaded my college logo. Now you have a course format. You have to select whether you need a weekly format or a topics format. This is actually a wonderful concept. If you add weekly format, then in your course page, you will all have the weeks. Okay, let me put weekly format. Then I will show you what is topic format. Okay, so all other things you can leave it as such. Hidden sections are shown in collapsed form. So one section per page. Then you can go to appearance. Do not force the language. Number of announcements, you can increase the announcement to 10. Show grade book to students, yes. Show activity reports, yes. Then files and uploads, maximum upload size, you keep it as 100 MB. Completion tracking, enable completion tracking, yes, because the student, once he or she completes a particular topic, they can put a tick mark and they can complete the course on their own. Now finally, you don't have to bother about these groups and all. Save and display. Okay, now see here, you can see my course has been created with weekly model. You can see it is my course with a weekly model. So this can happen only when you choose your course, okay, in the weekly model. So I will come back here. See, you can see here, now I have created a course. So Moodle LMS is the course which I created right now. It is the course for higher education teachers. Now this you can do. So if you are administering a Moodle for your department, you can simply try for 40 days. First, get a Moodle cloud account, log into your Moodle cloud account, go to site administration. Okay, under site administration, you create course. So you can add a new course. Okay, or if you have any already prepared course, you can upload course. Now see, under the site administration, it shows you what are the courses you have created. Next, you can go to grades and you have to create the grade settings. Okay, now graded roles. Okay, you all have, see, the grade books can be monitored. and the course creator or teacher. Okay, so I will give the privilege for the teacher and student to view, and uh, the other things you can just read, you can go through it, and you can add or delete whatever things you want. If you have grade point maximum, you have to select any grade point. So what is the total grade points? I think I explained it to you yesterday in Google Classroom. So you can fix it depending on your internal marks. So the grade points can be fixed, and you have to make the necessary changes. So whenever you do something in Moodle, okay, you have to ensure that you save it. Okay, so I come back to site administration. Now so many other options are there. Now the main option is for us is courses and grade. Let us not worry about the other options. They are all advanced options, and you require a lot of training to go inside and touch those options. So please don't do any work there initially, but once you get very familiar with Moodle, you can. And reports, okay, so you see, for example, logs. Now this is my site. Okay, if you want to check, if you want to check overall I've done this, you can check who have visited your site in the last 15 days or 1 month. Everything will be recorded here. Now this facility is not available in Google Classroom. In Google Classroom you cannot see who has logged in, who has used or who has viewed your course, but this is available in so you I have a few participants here, so I can see individually. Say for example, if I want to see what Mohan Arvind has done, okay, it will give me a log. So it will show me when Mohan Arvind has visited my page. So all these details are available in my Moodle platform. Okay. So reports, and all these reports can be now, before you edit, if you want to edit something, you have to make sure that you edit, make this edit on. Okay. Now I have switched it off. So you can have a lot of information in reports. You can generate reports, and you can uh, download those reports, and you can store it. Now let me move on to my course which I had developed. Now this is my course which I had developed. Okay, you can see. And if you want to add students to your course, what you need to do is, now after creating a course, if you want to add students to your course, it's so simple. You have to copy this link and send this link to your students. The student will click the link, and they will sign up with the Moodle web page, and they will come inside your course. You can see once they got registered in your course, if you click this participant, you can see the students who have joined here. Okay, you can see the students who have joined here in your course. And once you are inside the course, okay, let me go to this course. So I am inside my course called DGVC Moodle. Once you are inside your course, you have to go and check this gear icon. If you check this gear icon, you will see a turn editing on. So once you click the turn editing on, now you can create your course in this platform. Okay, now you can create your course in this platform. Now this when you do that, it will have a pre-structured template, and we can always edit that template just by clicking it and entering it. So welcome to online learning. Welcome to online learning. I will put it as DGVC IQAC. Just type it and enter it. That's it. You need to type it and enter it. It is done. Now, if you turn sorry, if you turn editing off, okay, you can come back to this always. Now I have switched it on. Okay, so if you turn this editing off, you will come back to your course. Is it clear? Okay, then you can make announcements. Now for every time, if you want to change anything in your course, you have to go to this gear icon, click turn editing on, and you can edit. Okay, so if you want to add anything in your if you want to add a new topic, you can add a new topic. So the new topic is LMS. Okay, so the new topic is LMS, and the announcement is visit open tutorial IIT Bombay, IIT Bombay. And when you do this, you can always add so many things here. See, you can insert or edit an image, you can add a video, you can record your audio, you can even record your video. Everything can happen in this page itself. Okay, I will show you one by one how it can be done. And you can also use the other icons here. Okay, you can add an equation, you can insert a character, you can add a table, and you can even add HTML text. So this is HTML, you can add an HTML text, and everything can happen. So let me post this first to the forum. Now I will go back to my page. You can see in my announcements, I have added a new topic LMS. This will be visible to my students. And if my student clicks it, he or she will see this visit open tutorial IIT Bombay. Now what I will do, I will again come back. Now let me go to the announcements. Let me edit, sorry. Let me go to the edit settings. Now I want to add a link. Okay, so let me go to open tutorials. So this is open tutorial, the home page of open tutorial, spokentutorial.org. Okay, I will copy this link. I will come back here. I will open this. I will paste. I will click open in new window. I will create a link. Okay. Sorry, we need to do this here in the announcements. Okay. Okay. I will go here. I will create a link. I will copy it. I will come back to my announcement page. I will paste it here. So I had created a link. You can even drag and drop any file. So I have saved it. Now, if the student see this announcement, just by clicking it, the student will go to the course. Okay. So we have created an announcement. Now, you can actually generate topics. See, you have a button here. You have a button here. So you can generate topic. But before that, let me go and show you what is happening here in my other course. So this is my home page. You can see here, now my course structure has changed. In the earlier case, it was topic wise, but here in this course, it is week wise. So if you are planning to conduct any FDP, or if you are planning to conduct any workshop, you can create the course like this, and it will be weekly course. See, I have not created anything in this area. So I will put turn editing on. Okay. So the first section is announcements. So this is the general section. Welcome to Moodle. Okay, I put save changes. See, I have created my first general section. So what I did, I went to this gear icon. I went to this gear icon. I turned my editing on. And once I turned my editing on, I started editing. So I have created a general section and I have created welcome to Moodle. Now I have created announcement. Now in this area, I can add anything. I will show you for each week, I will show you one addition. So what you need to do is, it's very simple. You have to click add an activity or a resource. And if you do that, you can see n number of activities are available in Moodle. You have assignment, you can add a chat, okay? You can add a feedback, you can create a forum. If you want, you can create a lesson, you can create a quiz, you can create a wiki, you can create a survey, you can add a book, okay? And you can add a page. Now first we will try to learn how to add a page. That is the basic thing in Moodle. We will add a page. So I had created a page for week 1, adding a new page to week 1. So the first page is Google Classroom. Okay, description. You will learn about Google Classroom. Okay. Now in the content page, I will show you, I've already showed you how to link, how to add a link. Now I will show you how to add an image. Okay. So in the image, you have to browse repositories. If you have a file in your system, okay, let me take this file, okay, and upload this file, save image. I think the dimension is not working out. You have to check for the dimension. Okay, let me take another image. Okay, I will take my picture. I will upload this image. You have to adjust the image so that it goes inside. Let me put it as 1250. Okay. Okay. It is asking for a description. Okay, let me add another image. You can see my image is displayed here. So I will save and I will return to course. You can see I have created an announcement. This is my first week course. So if I create, okay. Okay, when I click that, you can see my image here. So this is how you add an image. Now like this, you can add or remove anything from your course. So in my course, I have added, so in my 16 to 22nd July, I have added a image. Now again, I will go back. I will click turn editing on. Now I have to add another activity. So for the first, see, I'm working on only on my first week. So I can add another page. Okay, let me give the name of the page as course on LMS. Okay, so you can add some description here. And in the content, you can add a video. Now, when you add a video, okay, you can browse your repositories and you can choose any video. Okay, let me go to my video. Let me add a simple video. Okay. If the file size is too large, then it will say yeah. So I've added a video. You can see here. Okay. So this video is for a simple 9 minutes video. Now appearance, click the appearance, display page name and display last modified date. Okay. And for activity completion, student can manually mark the activity completed. Don't worry about the restricted access. Don't use this enable. Now the video is available here and save and display. So your video is ready. Dear participants, very good evening. This is Dr. Augustin. I will show you how to work on this. Okay. So my video is ready. So if you have a recorded video, which I told you yesterday, if you can record a video, a PowerPoint video, you can always post that video here in your course. Again, I repeat, for everything, okay, you have to go back. See, this is my course. This is my course, Moodle LMS. I am inside my Moodle LMS. For everything, you have to go to this gear icon and you have to turn editing on. Okay. Now, if you want to set up others, so say for example, I have users. Okay. I have users. And if you want to uh, allow your students to enroll in this course, okay. Now, what you need to do is you can ask your students to self-enroll. Now what I will do, I will share this link in the chat box. Okay, I will share my course link in the chat box and let us see how many of you are able to join using Moodle. Now you can create a course key so that not many join in your course. So you can create your course key. So my course key is DGVC and this course key will be, you will be prompted to enter this course key when you try to join the course. Okay, you can always fix the other things, your start date, your end date, everything. And you have you can design a welcome message. Welcome to the course. Okay, and now I have created a course key and the students can self-enroll. So I save change. Now what I will do, I will share this link in the chat box. Let me see how many of you are able to enroll in my course. And one of the participant has asked me a question. Can we just use Moodle with a free account as you told it like 45 days? So after 40 days, I have to either pay or create a new. Yes, you have to pay, but the best thing is your institution can buy. There are many institutions who have bought Moodle and they have training their faculty members in Moodle. I have one question. What is the difference between Nomio and Moodle by from Mintu Bhattacharya? Sir, Nomio is actually a hosting platform for Moodle. Okay, Nomio host. You can call it as a subsidiary, and it is hosting from US. Moodle is a company that is based in Australia. So that is a basic difference. There are many hosting platform. I will show you one platform which we are going to see today in the afternoon session is My E-Class. My E-Class is an Indian hosting platform for Moodle. So you can create your free account for 1 year in My E-Class and you can enjoy Moodle. So that is the reason why I have asked Miss Preeti from My E-Class. So they will be sharing their experience about Moodle, and you can add 100 users. So don't worry if you don't have a Moodle. Don't worry. You are going to have a Moodle right now, because in the afternoon session you are going to have a lecture on My Class, and My Class is a very simple portal which will help you. They are giving you all offline support. So the thing is, you have to just enroll in their My Class as a teacher, but they will give you only one course because you are a teacher. Therefore, you are not a course administrator, but you are a teacher there. And after enrolling, they will give you all offline support. And still, if you have any difficulty, you can always mail us. Or if you want any session to be organized in your college, I am ready to do. We can have a wonderful learning experience in Moodle. Actually, this addition of students has to be done only by the college, because the teachers may wrongly enroll the students, right? So if you are trying to enroll someone which who do not belong to your class, then it is always a problem. Can a teacher generate Moodle report? Yes, you can generate a Moodle report without an administrator. That is the reason why I'm telling you, if your college is going to have a Moodle, then you can always, even the administrator or you as a teacher can always generate the report. Sir, do we retrieve our site? No, it is not possible to retrieve your site after the expiry date. Why all prefer Moodle than Google Classroom, even though GC is user friendly and the size of video is unlimited? Yes, Moodle is an LMS. Google Classroom is not an LMS. That is the basic difference. You cannot see who has gone through your videos, or you cannot do the activity completion. I will show you my Moodle site in a short span. Okay, so let me see how many of you have joined in my Moodle right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118 Okay, so this is my Moodle LMS, the course which we have created right now. I will turn editing off. Let me see how many participants are there. Oh, no one has registered so far. Danesh, can you come inside as a participant? Danesh, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm coming, sir.
Yeah, please. Okay, so we will come back to this. Let us see how many of you have joined. I will go to the Moodle platform. See, this is my Moodle platform using my e-class. Okay, the LMS company which is hosting Moodle in their own platform. It is very much similar to the Moodle that I have shown you right now. This is,
Sir, sorry to interrupt.
yes, ma'am.
Sir, send us the link, sir. Then only we can join, sir.
I had shared it in the chat box. I had shared
No,
the link in the chat box.
no, sir, it is not there.
Yeah, it is there. I will again share it. Don't worry. Is it there? Sorry. I think I am sending it to my private.
No, sir.
Now, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please join.
Yes, sir.
Now, once you can see here, this is my Moodle site for my third year UG students. This is my site, and you can please note down this site. It is myeclass.academy.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, Danesh. Can you chat me?
Join பண்ணியாச்சு, sir.
Okay. Thank you for joining. Now see here, my student has joined. So I have one student. So like this, just by using the link which I shared with you, you can invite your students to join here in your course. Now you can join it, no problem. Just listen, just concentrate on this which I'm going to tell you right now. As a teacher, what can you do in Moodle? Now, this is my course. You can always visit this course as a guest. You have to simply log into my eClass Academy, and in the courses, okay, in the courses, you go to course search and type this number, MECL. Okay, I will share the link address in the chat box. You can type it. If there are any chemistry teachers here, you can always visit this course. Sorry. Can you see the link? Yes, password for my Moodle courses I shared you. DGVC IQAC. And for in my class, you can visit my course as a guest. You don't require any password. Only to enroll in my course, you need a password. So you can always, if you just click, you will be there in my Moodle class. Now you can see I have announcements in my course. I have structured my announcements. In my announcements, I have given the syllabus. You can see here, I have given the syllabus for my course. So I have the syllabus here, right? Then you can simply move to the next. So I have a discussion forum, and I have my students posting here. Then I have learning objectives. I have my learning objectives, and I have my course outcome. So if you see my course, I have structured in such a way that I have announcements, I have discussion forum, I have learning objective, course outcome, and I have my course teacher here. So name of the course is stereochemistry, and the name of the actually name of the paper is organic chemistry, and the name of my module is stereochemistry. So under module 1, you can see I have all my course material given here. So I had put an introductory video for my students. So I had given an introductory video. Then see, I have constructed the entire course using my 4-quadrant. You have a option called Know Your Teacher. So this will take them to my Google site. Now I want to tell, I hope you all are very familiar with Google site. Google site is another platform where you can create your website. It is something like your website. So you can create your Google site, and you can have it as a supportive platform for your students. You can even run a course using Google site. I run a Google site called Infoledge. Okay, I'm just deviating from Moodle, but you need to create your own Google site. Creating a Google site is very simple. There are a lot of tutorials available in Google site. Now this is our uh, company, education company. It's a free to use education company. Everything in this platform is free. It is not charged. So it is created. It was created a couple of months back. So in this case, you can create your own site. You have home. Now you have study material. Okay. Now, welcome to the home of digital learning, where you learn, unlearn, and relearn chemistry. The main objective of this program is to reach the underprivileged learning community through digital mode and provide them with quality learning material in state. Okay. So you can add everything. See, constructing, I need a 2-hour session to explain how to construct this Google site, but you can do it. So all these are links. Chemistry today, it will take you to it will redirect you to beyond your classroom. Okay, and you can create links where you can have a lot of external activity. Okay, it's working. Then you have higher education. So higher education links. Then you have MOOC. I've created all the link here. Okay, now this is another LMS platform running by taken care by Infledge. So this is another platform where I offer courses to my students. This is another free LMS platform. It is called EduNext. Okay, you can make a note of it. EduNext is another LMS platform. I will come back to EduNext in a short while. So you have shared learning, interactive learning, and you can see upcoming courses. Okay, right now I have this course on aromaticity. So when I click aromaticity, it will redirect me to my EduNext platform where I run this course. Okay, let me go into the course. Now this is a different platform. You can see this is a totally different platform where you can create your course. Now this is another course run by me. So you will have a platform like this where you can have all the course, reference study material. You can just go to infoledge.edunext.io. This is the web link. I will post it here. I will post it in the chat box. It is infoledge.edunext.io. If you just click inside, you can visit my another platform. It's again a free platform which anyone can use. You can use the platform. Now this platform is quite interesting and different, where you will get all the learning experience like how you get it in Coursera or in EduNext platform. So this is how it works. So next, so you have to just click next and view the course. So I've added all my course videos here. You have to simply click next. If you had completed any FDP on MOOC, you might have learned this, or you might have encountered this. So you can just go next, 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 and the videos will be running. So we will have all the videos here running. Welcome to this course on aromaticity. So it goes like this. Okay, so this is my EduNext platform. You can always visit it. It will be quite interesting. Okay, coming back here, Google site. So Google site will give you all the insight. You see, you can add study materials to your course, all free study materials. Okay, you can see I have added all the available study materials. And if you go to courses, you can see I have courses here. I have links created here. So there are courses. See, I have created my course. It's so simple to create a course in Google site. What you need to do is you have to learn how to create your site. And in the site, you can create links for all your videos. So if a student enters my site, and if he just visit the course page, and if he or she clicks it, it will take it to my YouTube channel. Okay, so it will take it to my YouTube channel, and the student can watch my video. It is, see, I am actually trying to create an LMS. It is not actually an LMS, but still I'm trying to create an LMS on par with Google Classroom. Okay, so you can also run this parallelly if you need. So each and every link will take me to the website. Okay. Each and every link will take me to the website. Okay, so this is my Google site. Now coming back here to my e-class, I have developed this course in a 4-quadrant approach. So the first thing is, if a student clicks it, he will get a course material. This is quadrant number 1, where the student will have e-material readily available. Okay, so this is quadrant number 1, and in module 1.1 he has everything. Okay, and these are all quadrant number 1. Then quadrant number 2 is your e-videos. So if whatever video I showed you yesterday, how to create a video using your mobile phone.
A fissure, which is a 2-dimensional structure.
So I have incorporated it here. So you have your e-videos. Okay. Then again, you have e-resources. The student can see the resources. Then the student again, you can create links where the student can watch the videos beyond their classroom.
If I were to draw
So,
a hand, let me just.
I have
my
created,
hand fast.
okay.
I'll draw a left hand.
And finally, there are assignments. Okay. And there are also quiz. See, I have created quiz. So creating an assignment and creating a quiz is also good here. I can view all the submissions. See, I can view all the submissions with time. Okay, with time, and I can grade them. I can grade all the assignments, and I can get the report. Okay, grading and reporting is so simple in Moodle. Now let me show you what is the difference. I told you there is a big difference between, okay, logs. Let me go to logs. Say for example, if I want to see how many students have actually seen my welcome to online learning. Okay. See, you can see here I get all the logs with date, time, with the computer user ID. So I get all the logs. And if I want to see the course completion report, okay, so let me say course completion. Okay, this is actually, let me go to logs, okay, reports, activity completion. Just see here, I have all my students name, and you can see I have already enabled self activity completion, and you can see my students have completed all these activities. Okay, now I can download this as a spreadsheet. Now this is not possible in Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, this activity completion cannot be recorded. Therefore, you are not assured enough to see or check whether your student has completed a particular activity or not. That is the basic difference between Google Classroom and an LMS. So you can be rest assured that your students are watching, following you, and you can easily point, you can easily take a note of who has not done this, and you can directly send them a message. Okay, so you can send them a message. Okay, and you can post individually, and you can ask them to watch it. So all logs details can be obtained from an LMS platform. This is exactly Moodle. So this platform is exactly Moodle. This is my class platform. And you can always see, this is module 1.1. I've just started creating module 1.2 for my students. Okay. And slowly we will jump into the other modules. Now you need a lot of training in creating a course as far as LMS is concerned, because once it is created, it is there for your lifetime. Once you get a license or once you get paid up, it is there, and every year you can upload you can enrich your course with a lot of things, and you can always modify it and keep it live, fresh, etc. So you have Google Classroom, you have Google Sites, you have LMS, and I also showed you what is I will share the link for my Google site. You can always go and watch it. So this is my Google site. You can always visit my Google site, and this is my another Google site. G Suite is a paid one. G Suite is a paid one. Okay. I will encourage all the faculty members to create a Google site. Creating a Google site is very simple. You have to simply go to Google Sites in your Google account. So you can log in. You have to simply log in, and you have to start creating your site. See, you can see I have created my site. If you want to, there are already templates available. So if you want to create a template for your portfolio, you can create, or you can always see the template gallery. There are a lot of templates available. So if you want to create a class, so let me say you want to create a class. Okay, you can always click that template, and this is your site for your class. So you can create your site. You have to learn a few things here. It is I don't have time to teach you, but it's very interesting. You can always do it on your own. It is something like you are creating your own website. Okay, your own website. But I will also show you my website. So please visit my website, infoledge.com. So this is my website. This is a paid website. So if you need additional features, you have to uh, go for a paid website. You can also have your own website where you can run live classes in your website. So this is a live class. So this was the previous live class which happened some time back with my students. This is my mind map, mind master, which I explained to you yesterday. So you can.
Now, if we look into this area, that is our stereoisomerism.
Now this is a live class which was conducted to my students. Okay, using OBS and YouTube live streaming, which you're going to learn this afternoon.
We've also studied about our enantiomers, diastereomers,
and you have courses,
transformation and configuration.
Okay.
You have also submitted an assignment on about all these topics. The assignment is still open. You can submit it by 12 noon today. Without proper understanding of all these basic things, we cannot go into the details of stereoisomerism. And today's topic on topicity revolves around pro-stereoisomerism, where we talk about a prochiral carbon. A prochiral carbon is the one which can be converted into a chiral carbon by replacing its atoms or groups. Then one of the...
Okay. So that's all about for today. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me. You can ask me live. Let me see how many of you have joined. Okay, Dr. N. Kavita has joined. Good. Please visit all these places and have an experience on it, so that if you have any doubts, if you have any problem, then I can always help you. Yes, can I have the questions? When I have a lot of questions. Oh my God. Okay.
Sir, good morning. I'm Dr. S. Parvati from Government Arts College, Salem.
Madam.
Moodle Cloud and Genomio. Now they say Genomio has stopped its usage.
Yes.
And Moodle also, for those who have started long back, they have not cut the service.
45 days now. Moodle 45 days now free.
After
So
that we have to pay.
Yes, there are two options. One is the college has to get the license from Moodle and install Moodle in the college. The second option is we have My E-Class. The My E-Class is offering 1 year free. It's not like Moodle. So you can use that package for 1 year free, and you can enroll 100 users. After 1 year, they will be charging, I think, 50 rupees per student.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So see, if you're interested.
What about Canvas, sir? That is also a learning management system similar to Moodle?
Again, it is also a paid version.
Oh.
All are paid version.
In your experience, which you would say is best and user friendly? Moodle, Canvas, Google Classroom?
Ma'am, it all depends on your requirement, ma'am. How you want to take your course. See, I can run
for our college students' purpose, our teaching.
For government college students, you have to check for their connectivity, digital connectivity, and then you can proceed. I think the best starting point will be Google Classroom.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So we have 20 more minutes. I can quickly answer some of the question. How to create the photo icon moving, sir? It is just a HTML code. You can just type how to create a moving text in your Google, and it will help you to create it. It's so simple. When we submitted an assignment, we will meet in the afternoon. So please be available in the afternoon for a very important session on Moodle. Share it with your friends. And thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.